Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode and how it works for your Huawei Nova 9 SE, but it also works the same way on your Huawei Nova 9 Pro and Huawei Nova 9. So in order to enable it, we'll need to go to our settings, scroll down a bit and find sound and vibration. Press on it, scroll down again and find Do Not Disturb. Click on that and here you can enable it. You can also schedule the DND. Let's establish that from now on we'll call it DND. It's a shortcut for that. We can schedule it for a specific day and we can even add specific schedules. So we can set it for that it will be from Saturday to Sunday and right now it's from 22 to 07 next day. So if you enable that, it will turn on automatically. The next option is to allow interruptions from certain things. So if we press on the calls, we can change it that will receive calls from everyone, from your contact lists only, or your favorites list only, or you can select no one. You can change messages the same way. The last option right here is repeated calls. So if someone is really trying to reach you, for example calling you a few times and in like under 15 minutes, then your phone will start vibrating just to let you know that someone's really trying to reach you. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.